Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn triangle and its types. So let's start. Students, first of all, we will know about triangle. So what is triangle? A closed figure made by joining three non-collinear points bounded by three line segments is called a triangle. It has three vertices and three angles. Students, as you can see here, three non-collinear point is given. अब हम अगर किसी को लाइन सेगमेंट से बाउंड कर दें तो जो फिगर बनेगा उसे ही हम क्या कहेंगे? ट्रायंगल। और जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, इट हैज थ्री वर्टिसेस। स्टूडेंट्स, वर्टिसेस इज अ प्लूरल ऑफ वर्टेक्स। सो in this triangle you can see three vertex. Now we can write any name of this triangle, जैसे कि A, B and C. और इसमें कितने sides हैं? It has three sides. Means we can write triangle A, B, C. Students, instead of writing triangle, we can denote triangle by using this symbol. एक small triangle बना के हम triangle को denote कर सकते हैं. So here we can write triangle ABC in this way. As you can see, it has three sides, which is side AB, side BC and side AC. उसी तरह से इसमें three angles हैं या three vertex, क्योंकि जिस point पे angle form होता है उसे हम vertex भी कहते हैं. So we can write angle A, angle B or angle C, and we can also write vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. Students, we can name a triangle by writing the vertices in any of the following orders. Like we can write triangle ABC, triangle BCA, triangle CAB, triangle BAC, triangle ACB and triangle CBA. Students, the three sides and three angles of a triangle are together called six elements or parts of a triangle. Now let us see the types of triangles. Triangles can be broadly classified into two types, which are triangles based on the length of their side and second, triangles based on their interior angles. Students, according to the length of their sides, triangles can be classified into three types, which are first, Scalene Triangle, second, Isosceles Triangle, and third, Equilateral Triangle. And with respect to their angles, triangles can be classified into three types, which are Acute Angle Triangle, second, Right Angle Triangle, and third, Obtused Angle Triangle. Students, now we will discuss all the above triangles broadly and also will discuss the property of each triangle related to them. Now let us see the types of triangle with respect to their sides. Scalene Triangle. A scalene triangle has all the sides unequal. Students, as you can see in the given picture, triangle ABC is a scalene triangle because इसकी सारी sides जो है वो different हैं. जैसे कि side AB is equal to 2.2 centimeter and side BC is equal to 2.6 centimeter and AC is equal to 3.4 centimeter. So इसके all sides क्या हैं? Different हैं. So we can say this is scalene triangle. Now next is Isosceles Triangle. An isosceles triangle has two of its sides equal. Students, as you can see in the given picture, side AB and side AC is equal to 3 centimeter, but third side BC is equal to 2.7 centimeter. So we can say triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now let's see the next triangle, and next is Equilateral Triangle. An equilateral triangle has all of its sides equal, as you can see in the given picture कि triangle ABC जो है इसकी all sides क्या है? Equal है. So here we can say side AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, जो कि है 3 centimeter. So it means triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Now we will see the property of triangle on the basis of their sides. The sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the length of the third side. It means triangle के किसी भी two sides का sum जो होता है वो उसके थर्ड साइड से हमेशा ग्रेटर होता है. Let us see the example. Here you can see triangle ABC में अगर आप किसी भी two sides को ऐड करेंगे तो वो थर्ड साइड से ग्रेटर होगा। जैसे कि आप साइड AB प्लस AC को ऐड कर देंगे तो वो ग्रेटर होगा साइड BC से। सो लेट्स सी। सो हियर AB इज 3 सेंटीमीटर एंड AC इज ऑल्सो 3 सेंटीमीटर। अब हम AB और AC को ऐड कर देंगे तो हमें मिल जाएगा 6 सेंटीमीटर। तो इसका मतलब 6 सेंटीमीटर जो है वो ग्रेटर है किससे? 3 सेंटीमीटर। नाउ लेट अस सी द टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रायंगल विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू देयर एंगल. So first is acute angled triangle. A triangle having all its angles acute is known as acute angled triangle. Students, as you can see in the given figure, here angle A is 70 degree, angle B is 65 degree and angle C is 45 degree. और ये सारे ही एंगल्स क्या हैं? 90 से कम है। तो ये सारे ही क्या हुए? acute angle हुए। So we can say triangle ABC is an acute angled triangle. And next is right angled triangle. The triangle with one right angle is called a right angled triangle. Students, see in the given figure. Here triangle B is 90 degree. Here triangle B is equal to 90 degree. So we can say triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Now let us see the next triangle, which is obtused angle triangle. A triangle having one obtuse angle is called an obtuse angle triangle. Students, as you can see in the given picture, यहाँ पे angle B जो है वो 110 डिग्री दिया हुआ है, जो कि 90 से ज्यादा है और 180 से कम है. So it means we can say triangle ABC is an obtuse angled triangle. Now let us see the properties of triangle on the basis of their angles. The sum of the measures of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Student, it means triangles के जो 3 angles होते हैं उसको अगर हम ऐड करेंगे तो उसका सम जो होता है वो 180 डिग्री होता है. स्टूडेंट्स, तीनों एंगल्स को ऐड करने पर हमारा आंसर 180 डिग्री नहीं आता है. इसका मतलब जो मेजरमेंट दिया है वो ट्रायंगल की डेफिनेशन को फुलफिल नहीं कर रहा है. सो इट मींस दिए हुए मेजरमेंट से ट्रायंगल फॉर्म नहीं होगा. नाउ इट्स प्रैक्टिस टाइम एंड योर क्वेश्चंस आर हियर. सो पॉज योर वीडियो एंड प्लीज सॉल्व इट and we'll meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.